This is Joe Gray, Malden Talks, checking out the field over at Pine Banks. The place is soaking wet, it's pouring rain, and these kids are out here playing soccer. It's been raining all day, and they're out here with the soccer nets out, kicking the balls, having a good time. And you know who it is that's out here playing soccer? Malden Youth Soccer. They're having a great event here. Malden Youth Soccer has all the kids lined up. They had a great time. They're checking out their trophies that they won. They're having pizza. What I think is interesting is that in a very nice, very well maintained soccer field, because of the excellent drainage system that's here, parents and children are having a wonderful time on real natural grass. You heard me, real natural grass. And they're not letting a stupid little thing like rain, which is falling and getting my phone wet. They're not letting a stupid little thing like rain stop them. I heard the issues about, you can't use these fields when it's raining, blah, 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 something to that effect. But look at how happy these people are. On a nice summer day, a little tiny thing like rain falling on the sky, probably going to short circuit my phone right now. That's not going to stop a bunch of smiling, happy kids from having as much fun as they can. Look at that.
We're approving 2020.
You are approving 2020?
Yeah, 2020.
All right. You know what? I want us to do this. A lot more playing time on a lot more fields, on a lot more real grass. The rain's getting heavy. It's starting to get real heavy now. I think it's time for me to go before my phone gets all messed up with this rain falling on it. But if Malden Youth Soccer can play outside in the rain, on grass, we can do it with other fields in other places in Malden. I sure hope they reverse that situation that was going on with Roosevelt Park. It can be done. Look at this, where there's a will, where there's proper height, proper maintenance, and proper drainage, there's nothing you can't do with a natural grass field. In case I hadn't said that enough. This is awesome. This is just awesome. Look at these smiling kids. All grass everywhere. I'm standing here at Pine Banks in the pouring rain, checking out the baseball diamond here. Real turf, real grass, and because of the way it's designed, there's no ponding, there's no puddling. As a matter of fact, look at that. Look at my feet. There's no mud. It is pouring rain here. No mud, no puddles, no ponding. If they wanted to hold a baseball game here in Pine Banks on this natural grass field, they could do it in the rain. Before, during, and after a rainstorm, you could do it. You can't make this up. I'm thinking a little ingenuity, a little forethought. If we were to do a baseball field at Roosevelt Park or Trafton Park, could easily do it with proper drainage, proper maintenance, proper everything. I could see the baseball diamond, the infield, is at a slightly elevated level. So I'm assuming that's why water is draining away and not ponding in the field at all. Literally nothing. Look at that. Usable right now. I love it. Of course, over there, they're still doing soccer. That's obviously the older teenagers and adults doing soccer on the AstroTurf field. But earlier today, at video of the young children, second, third, fourth grade, playing soccer on the normal grass field in the rain all morning. Love it.